Attention North Huron, Wingham Fire, please respond to 719 Josephine Street North, the Braemar Nursing Home for general fire alarm unrestored field descending. Again, that's 719 Josephine Street North, Braemar Nursing Home for general fire alarm. Current page is 1735-17. Attention North Huron, Wingham Fire, please respond to 719 Josephine Street North, cross streets of Ornge and London Road, the Braemar Nursing Home for general fire alarm unrestored, key holders pending. Again, that's 719 Josephine Street North, cross streets of Jim Mart and London Road at the Braemar Nursing Home for general fire alarm. Time of page is 1736-41. Please respond.
Fire dispatcher, here, car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Page acknowledged for the Wingham station.
Roger, acknowledging page 1737-02.
Fire dispatch, engine 1.
Go ahead, engine 1.
You can show engine 1 responding, 3 belted.
Roger, engine 1 responding 3 belted at 1740-33, and be advised we received a second call from the alarm company. They spoke with a key holder on site. The alarm is located in unit 122. No signs of smoke or flames. The building is being evacuated.
Fire dispatch, we're here, car 2.
Car 2, go ahead.
You can show car 2 responding to Braemar.
Roger, car 2 responding, command vehicle 1741-15.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 4 responding.
Roger, car 4 responding 1741-48.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 9 responding Gulf, Foxtrot +1 belted.
Roger, tank 9 responding Golf, Foxtrot +1 belted, 1742-14.
Fire dispatch, we're hearing car 2.
Car 2, go ahead.
You can show car 2's on scene. Evacuation progress, car 2 will be command and move up.
Roger, car 2 on scene, evac in progress. Car 2 in command mobile, 1743-09.
Fire dispatch, no, you're in engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
You can log engine 1 on scene.
Roger, engine 1 on scene, 1743-27.
Fire dispatch, tank 8 responding, car 3.
Roger, tank 8 responding, car 3, 1743-40.
Fire dispatch, we're here, command.
Go ahead, command.
After talking with management, we have a check going off in room 122. No sign of smoke or fire. Fire will be entering into investigation.
Roger that, detector located at 122 going off, no smoke presence. You're going to be investigating. It's 5:45.
I see, MCC, RC, on the office side.
Fire dispatch, if there was a unit calling fire dispatch, if you could repeat your last transmission.
MCC, IC.
Go ahead and enter team 1, command.
Regular zone, engine 9.
Yeah, roger that.
sign.
Fire dispatch over here.
Go ahead.
After 360 completed and checking out through where alarms going off, we have nothing found. We're going to need some further investigation.
Roger, 360 complete. After checking room, nothing was found. We'll be further investigating. 1750.
Entry team 2, engine 1. Can we get an attic ladder to the front door?
Fire dispatch call tank 4.
Tank 4, go ahead.
You can show tank 4 responding alpha plus 1 belted.
Roger, tank 4 responding alpha plus 1 belted at 175151.
Fire dispatch, airport.
Go ahead, go for it.
Airport arriving on scene.
Roger, car 4 on scene, 175212.
Fire dispatch over here in command.
Go ahead, Glenn.
Yeah, you can show that evacuation is complete. All residents are in.
Roger, evac complete. All residents out of building, 175240.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 4 on scene.
Roger, tank 4 on scene, 175459.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 9 arriving scene.
Roger, tank 9 on scene, 175511.
Entry team 1 call command. Yeah, can you just give me an update? Roger that. Nothing showing theory. Fire dispatch, you can show tank 8 arriving scene.
Roger, tank 8 on scene, 175621.
Entry team to IC. We're all right to silence this alarm. Yeah, I'm just going to get a couple crews and I'm going to go up and down each lane with Dick. Hold on. Message received. Can we have this go? Go ahead, go. Man.
Yeah, can you give me at the front door of the side, please?
Roger that.
Foxtrot.
Dispatch car 1 on scene.
Roger that, car 1, you're on scene, 180910.
Fire dispatch, right here, command.
Command, go ahead.
After completing found resetting the alarm, check for the evacuation room. Not a call.
Sorry, Command, if you can repeat your last transmission, you were coming in strength 2.
Yeah, after a complete sweep of the building and search of the building, nothing was found. We're going to start putting the residents back in the building at this time.
Roger that, Command. After complete search of building, nothing's found. We'll be resetting alarm, 181551.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 8 clearing scene, return to Blyth Station.
Roger, tank 8 clearing scene, returning to Blyth Station, 182556.
Dispatch, car 1, clear the scene.
Roger, car 1 clearing scene, 182715. Go ahead, Command.
Being show that we have reset the alarm. Nothing's sounding again. Property owner is prepared to fire watch until the door to fire security can come up and rectify the problem. Again, it's going to be terminated. Property is going to be turned over to the property owner, and all units will be returned to the station.
Roger, reset alarm, nothing found. Property owner going to be on fire watch. Command terminated. Property turned back over to owner, 182921.
Fire dispatch, tank 4, return to station.
Roger, tank 4 returning to station, 183211.
Fire dispatch, tank station.
Go ahead.
You can show all units back in station, main station back in service.
Roger that, all units back at station and back in service at 184402. Have a good night. I will close that off right now.